Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you a quick DIY house update. If you've been with me for a while, then you'll remember back in 2022, I remodeled my outdated staircase. I had no idea how to replace the carpet on my stairs, so I had hoped that by simply repainting my handrails a lighter color might help. I sanded off the top coat, added 2 coats of primer and 2 coats of white paint. I loved how the white paint looked, but I soon realized that the issue was definitely the dark carpet and it had to go. I removed the carpet, prepped my stairs, and added 2 coats of bare porch and patio floor paint. I then sealed the holes with latex silicone caulk before adding a 3rd coat. Of course, I could have used wood filler for this step as well. I saw this staircase design on Instagram and instantly fell in love. I wanted to do something similar, but I didn't realize that stair rods were so expensive, so I opted for a less expensive design. A few days later, I added these non-slip stair treads along with motion detecting LED lights, both from Amazon. I added the non-slip clear treads because I didn't want to cover up the design, and I also wanted to put something down that would help my dog go up and down the stairs without slipping. Over the last 2 years, I've had to clean my stairs on a weekly basis, which I don't mind. But dust would get trapped underneath the sticky side of the treads, which made it nearly impossible for me to maintain that super clean look over time. The stair paint that I use doesn't require a sealant, but when I attempted to remove these treads, it brought up the paint as well. My lesson here was that these stair treads were not a good solution for painted stairs. I had no choice but to sand my stairs so they were smooth, and then I added 2 coats of that same primer that I used back in 2022. I then added a fresh coat of white paint to my risers, 2 coats of that same paint in the color black to the top of my stairs, along with 2 coats of polyurethane. I painted my steps using the same technique that I used in my original video, so I won't add that footage here, but I did wait a couple of weeks before adding these new treads to the top of my stairs. And here's how my newly updated staircase turned out. I love the look of my darker stairs, and they are much easier to maintain. And you'll be happy to hear that they are still pepper approved. I've recently seen some pretty cool staircase makeovers on Pinterest, so I'm inspired to teach myself how to re-add the carpet to my stairs. But for now, I'm really happy with my updated stairs. I think they're beautiful. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. As always, I would love to hear from you. I hope you've enjoyed this week's video. If so, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, Dazzlers, bye.